Hey guys, welcome to Unseen Portion of Internet.
This is one of the costliest mistake. This adorable elephant takes the lady's hat but returns it when requested.
This hat is mine now.
Sorry, Tim. My sister just gave me that hat.
Please, Mark.
Please, Mark, can I have my hat back? Please. Please, Mark. Yeah, Mark.
This is a fan-throated lizard.
I don't know you, but
Where are you
from Brazil.
from? Brazil?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
Why not here?
Why? It's great.
Is it?
Do you know what's going on?
The fire thing, that's one.
Fire dancing.
Yeah. What are you? Why are you reporting? Sorry. You are important.
I'm not so important.
Nah, people are taking
everyone
pictures and you're important. Why?
This is a black blowing sand, and this phenomena takes place in
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.